All right, here's the service elevator. Ooh, here it comes. Oh man, I'm sweaty. Ooh, it's something old. Probably, oh wow, look at this thing. Huh. Yeah, this is old. Wow. Probably another ECA. I just have the passy sitting here. Oh yeah, is this, that's the shaft. Okay. Wow. Wow, this one's cool. Interesting how the car and the shaft walls are, oh, that's a bug on the wall. Interesting how the car and the shaft walls are the same color. I'd like to be that bug. Just imagine being that bug every once in a while. This big asphalt, bug, giant ass thing just comes whizzing by you. That'd be crazy. See a Jan Anderson interlock. An obnoxiously bright bulb. Wow. Look at this thing. This is something. Oh! That is definitely an old ass. Jesus Christ, this thing hasn't been inspected since Richard M. Jesus fuck, this thing was last inspected 20 years ago. Okay, 20 years overdue for inspection. Okay, that's not suspicious. Yep, I definitely feel safe riding this thing. Very good, okay. Oh, the gate's falling apart. Right after I noticed it's 20 years overdue for inspection. Literally this thing for 20% of its lifetime has gone uninspected. Ugh, I don't like that. Oh, that's it.